If you're trying to figure out how to track billable hours within your project tool and want a fast, no-fluff walkthrough, this is exactly what you need. I've tested all the popular project management tools, and in this video, I'm showing you the simplest way to stay on top of your time, keep projects profitable, and make invoicing a breeze. Plus, if you want to follow along with the same tool I'm using, there's an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel linked below. Let's jump right in. First, open your project dashboard. Whether you're working solo or managing a team, your project tool should have a built-in time tracking section or allow you to enable it as a feature. In the software we're using, just head over to the Time tab or Track Time option in the sidebar. Click on New Time Entry or Start Timer. If you're logging time manually, choose the project and task, enter the duration and mark it as billable. Most tools give you the option to label time entries as billable or non-billable. Make sure you tick that box so it gets included in your invoice reports. If you're using live tracking, just hit Start Timer when you begin working on a task. You can pause and resume as needed, and once you're done, it automatically saves it to your project with the correct billable tag. Now, to stay organized, assign hourly rates to each user or project. Go into your project or team settings, find the billing section, and set default rates. This ensures that all billable hours are calculated accurately without extra steps later. Once hours are tracked, head to the reporting section. Filter by project, time period, or team member, and export a timesheet or billing report. This is where you can review total billable hours before invoicing. Most tools will let you generate an invoice directly from this data with just a click. Now, here's a pro tip. Enable reminders or auto prompts inside your tool to log hours daily. That alone can save you hours of lost time and missed billing each month. By the way, the software we're using here is not just easy to set up, it's also reliable for freelancers, agencies, and teams. If you want to follow along with the exact same tool, I've left a special free trial link in the description. It's exclusive to Dan Thorne's channel viewers, and it's the best way to try it out with zero risk. Here's the key takeaway. Consistently tracking billable hours inside your project tool is the difference between knowing your profitability and guessing. When you log your time, label it as billable, set your rates, and run regular reports. You stay in control of your business. Quick recap. 1. Open your time tracking tool. 2. Start the timer or log hours manually. 3. Mark time as billable. 4. Set your hourly rates. 5. Run reports and export or invoice directly. And don't forget, there's an exclusive free trial of the software we used linked below. Try it out and see how much easier it makes tracking your billable hours. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.